Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a very beautiful simple cotton kurti. This is a dress material. I got this from Bangalore Commercial Street, and I got this stitched because this is a dress material, and as you notice they have attached the border that we usually got for pant and dupatta. This one is a trend like 7 to 8 years old, but I don't think this one is a good idea nowadays. The reason is, if you're trying to mix and match the dupattas, then the options will get very limited, because you have to both concentrate on the dress and also the border. And if you notice here, the back side of the neck I've selected is just a simple round neck, and this is the lining. Usually for cotton dresses I love to have the lining, so the dress will look more good and very elegant. So this is the overall look of the dress that I've selected today. On to the palazzos. This is the first palazzo that I've selected here. Gray and white is a perfect combination, as you see, and also it got these lines. These are actually navy blue lines, but it looks like black and gray, so it's matched very well. And having lines on the palazzo or even on the dresses is a trend now. It's like very simple patterns, very easy, and if you notice here, it's perfectly matching to the border. I've already shared this palazzo in my previous videos with a navy blue kurti. You can also check that video as well. And if you see here, so this is a perfect match here, very nicely matching to this dress here. And now moving on to the dupattas. The first dupatta that I've selected, this one, it came with the dress material, and the money that I've spent for this dress material is very minimal. It should be under 1200 rupees, and it's been a while, so I did not remember exactly the price. And then the dupatta that they gave is like a very long dupatta, at least around 2.5 meters. And I've already shared this dupatta in my previous videos with another. I mix and match with another outfit. You can also take a look at that video. So this is the overall look of the dupatta with the dress and of course with the palazzo. It looks like a complete set. So that's what I was always talking about. That's my channel goal as well. Always try to mix and match with the options you have. And now moving on to the second dupatta. This is the simple cotton ikat dupatta. It has like all these colors in here, so I thought, I usually like to have that gray is like, usually perfectly matches to a lot of dresses. And especially the tip that I would like to give here is, if the dress is like, too many prints and too much going on, always try to match with a simple dupatta. If a dress is plain, always try to mix and match with the dupatta with lot of heavy work or design and everything. So that's the style now. Do not mix and match both dupatta and dress in a heavy style. It looks very gaudy. So that's one of the tip I would love to give. I always try to mention this in each and every video. And you can also notice, since the dress is very plain, so that's why I was mixing all these colors and everything, and it still looks elegant here. So this is the look. And then moving on to the third one, this is just a simple scarf. If you can easily wear this scarf. This one actually my sister got it for me, and look at how well this matched. It can also match perfectly with the palazzo that I have shared earlier. So this is the close look of the scarf. Now moving on to the fourth one. This one actually I bought it to the western wear kind of thing, but this one is a perfectly matching here, and then the lines here is like a perfect match to the palazzo that I've shared earlier. So gray and black is also a very good combination, like I mentioned in my previous videos as well. So the trick here is, since like I mentioned, since the dress is very simple, you can mix and match with a lot of heavy design and everything. It won't look gaudy because the dress we are wearing is very simple, and then the material is very soft, and the flowers and everything is like, even though it's dominating, it has lot of colors that can pull over all the dress, including the palazzo and everything. So friends, if you see, this is the overall look, and our channel goal is to mix and match. Our 6 to 7 years old dress can match with the dupattas with current trend, with existing, mix and match with old and new dupattas. So that's an idea. We are not spending that much of money. With a limited budget, we can have these kind of, or these many looks for just one dress. Now moving on to the pendant or necklace here. So this is the necklace that I would like to show here. This one I always emphasize, I love this kind of material and everything. The design that they have given is very good and very unique. I got this from Shilpa Ramam. I shared in my yellow sari, and more than one video I have shared this. Even the dress is simple, just wearing this will give the trendy and unique look. So this is the closer look of both the front and back of this, and I did not spend that much of money in Shilpa Ramam. They have many varieties, and this one I think around 400 rupees or 500 rupees I got this, and look at how well this is matching. So now moving on to the earrings. The first earrings that I've selected are these ones. I got it from Bangalore Commercial Street. The reason why I've selected the pendant ones is, like, you know, we have a lot of white going on here with the dupattas, and also it matched very well to the necklace that I've selected. So that's the reason I've selected these. And moving on to the second ones, if you notice the second ones, the finishing that they have done is an amazing job that they did, and then the finishing has the same look that we got on the dress. Like, you know, the lines that we got on the dress is perfectly matching to the design that we have here, and also that simple pearl is giving an unique and neat touch to the entire look of the outfit. And then the shape of this earrings is also very beautiful and unique here. So this is the one. And moving on to the bracelet or bangles here, this is the first bracelet that I have selected. It has the gray color stone here. This is an adjustable bracelet. Bracelets are currently a trend, so this is one of very good bracelets that I have, with a gray touch and everything, very good. And it usually bracelets you can wear it for both western wear, you know, even for saris or to kurtis here. So this is the first one. Now moving on to the second one. This one's also I got it from Shilpa Ramam. Very good set. I did not remember the exact price, maybe around 400 to 500 rupees I've spent. Actually I have two more end bangles here, but I thought it would be too many bangles, so that's why I'm sharing only these many here. It matched very well to the entire look that I have matched here. Viewers, friends and subscribers, let me know what you all think in the comments about this selection today that I have made. And then the other one that I have selected here is just a bracelet and a bangle. Wearing a bracelet with a bangle is currently a trend, and it gives this unique touch. And if you see here, the colors that I have selected here is a perfect match to the dress selection that I have made here along with the palazzo. So if you see the closer look, this is the closer look here. Just to give an idea, I'm showing you all. And now moving on to the watch. This is the watch that I've selected. I've already shared this in previous videos. Just to give an idea of how to mix and match, I'm sharing all this. I hope you're enjoying these videos, friends, viewers and subscribers. If you do enjoy, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.